52, 89, 91, 07, 69, 12, 13, 42, 71, 44, 100, 36, 56, 42, 77, 09, 55, 30, 32, 34, 99, 66, 55, 92, 15. Okay, no? Everything is right. So let me tell you. So it is simple. I can teach you this thing. If I do it, everyone can do it, right? You can do better than me actually if I teach you. But it is waste of time by just learning by things. What you have to remember is historical dates, maps, locations, science, and everything. Every subject, every chapters in the book, we have to remember just by reading one time. These are different types of techniques we are going to learn after this mind acceleration program. We have to complete this ridge analysis and mind acceleration program. We are going to know why, because we have to prepare for competitive exams, and also we are going to have educational academics, and these are the things which are very important for children. And also there is a brain engineering workshop where we are going to teach some different kinds of technique, how to remember a whole book. They are going to remember for permanent, only one time. They don't want to have to revision. We have different kinds of techniques, but we have to complete the mind acceleration program, so it can bring your concentration level up to certain level, so it can help to remember by reading one time.